Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how you can easily withdraw money from your Betway account to your Capitec account. If you've been wondering how to do this, you're in the right place. First things first, open the Betway app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the withdrawal section. This is usually found in the account or banking menu. In the withdrawal section, choose your preferred withdrawal method. Since you're transferring to a Capitec account, you'll need to select the bank transfer option. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Make sure you enter your Capitec account number, branch code, and any other required information accurately. Double-check your details to avoid any issues with the transfer. Next, specify the amount you want to withdraw from your Betway account. Enter the amount and confirm. Now, review your withdrawal details one last time. If everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal request. You may need to enter a verification code or password to complete the process. The funds should appear in your Capitec account shortly. Typically, withdrawals take a few business hours, but can sometimes take up to 3 to 5 business days, depending on the process time. And that's it! You've successfully withdrawn money from your Betway to Capitec account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Thank you!